Hi, I'm Alana, welcome. So this is the final creation. In my last video, I had a blank canvas. Well, actually it was a former painting that really kind of bored me. So I took white and I painted over the picture. Maybe I shouldn't have done that, but I did it. And then I got creative and I took a brush and I started swirling around and she appeared. It was just a fun, creative, I don't know, meditation that I do for myself. And then I decided, okay, my galactic white goddess needs some color. And I added some copper, bronze, red, gold, and now she's come to life. She's a beautiful goddess with, I don't know, something cool in her hand. So my mindfulness tip of the day for you is add a splash of color. Whatever it is you're doing, whether you're baking a cake or tending to a garden, leading, facilitating teams in your company, whatever it is, how do you make it more colorful? Because when you add color, you become more vibrant. Your audience, your listeners, your family, your loved ones become more interested. They get charged, and that meeting goes from dull to on fire. I'm Alana, that's your mindfulness tip of the day.